Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to apply multiple text colors in Articulate Storyline 360 using JavaScript. First, open your project in Storyline 360. After setting up your slide, go to the Insert tab and add a shape that will act as a button. Adjust its size, style, and position to match your design. Rename it. Here we will call it Change Font Color. Next, open the Triggers panel and create a new trigger. Set the action to execute JavaScript and assign it to the button you just created. This makes sure the script will run whenever the button is clicked. Then, open the JavaScript editor and paste the JavaScript code. The JavaScript code will define different colors, so you can highlight specific words or phrases. Once you have entered the code, click OK to save. Now preview your slide. When you click the Change Font Color button, you will see the text update with the colors you defined.
Break tasks into smaller steps. Large tasks can feel overwhelming. Breaking them into manageable steps makes them more achievable and builds momentum.
You have now learned how to apply multiple text colors in Articulate Storyline 360 using JavaScript. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.